Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a list in StockX and also how to add products to those lists as well. So to quickly create a list, simply look to the upper right hand side of your screen and you'll find a heart. You can find it here, or if you hover over your profile, you'll find favorites as well. And you can go ahead and click on that. So it doesn't matter which option you click on, it's going to take you to the same place. Now you can see I have one wish list here and I also have all favorites. You can create a list by simply clicking on it and call it, for example, what I like, right? And click on create. So whatever I want to put into this list, I can easily do it. You can add items to the list by simply clicking on add item button on the upper right, and you can just search for whatever you want, and you can just, for example, click on it and you can choose your size and you can click and save. Right, it's going to add in the list. Alternatively, if you're on the home page or somewhere, you can find a product that you like as well. Click on that heart, then choose the size that you want. Select the list by clicking here and choose the list. And that's how you add items to the list. And that's it. Now if I go back to my favorites or there, you can see that I have the list and I have the two items in that list. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.